see here, AI Music Money. We're live in the school community, and I'm just recording this little sesh here of how I'm going to use my resonator guitar to record up to Suno AI, upload that, and then I'll work with it on a computer, right? So turn the camera down here so you can see. I got Suno popped open on the phone, right? And went from simple to custom, and then when you go to the custom, this is on the app. You'll see a plus audio section here. We'll click that. We're going to click record, and we're just going to play a little live session here. Right, I'm just going to play the resonator guitar because I want it to sound like my guitar. Now we got a little clip to watch. All right, now we're going to record. We'll save that. Now it's going to be our little audio file. Now what we'll do is to make sure it uploads is we'll actually generate a song real quick. And then it's still uploading. But once we go to simple, it'll still be up there, right? Now we can use that as our style. We can set this as our persona if we want, as our inspiration, and it'll actually generate a prompt in Suno that's of our song. And I'll show you what I mean in a minute. See, still there when we go to simple, right? I know it's hard to see cameras. I should probably turn this around. Not that it's very focused, but when you go from custom to simple, your uploaded track will still be there, okay? So that it stays. And then that should pop right up on the screen here when I refresh. Boom, boom, backspace. And then hopefully, oh, there it is. And this will be my recording. Right now we have that, and this is uploaded. And now that's our style. And now we just kind of like made a little, we'll see what it comes up with. But now we can set that as our inspiration, right? And now, I'm done looking at my phone. We can now we are our own inspiration, right? Set the old reso down over here. It's got us a little riff, and this allows us to, diff, create music fast, right? And we can differentiate our own sounds very quickly. See what somebody's recording sounds like. But I also like that check this out. This is what I think is the coolest part about this, right? When you do this, Suno AI generates a prompt for your sound for you, so you don't have to guess. Check this out. When you click remix or edit, we'll say use style and lyrics. It's created a style prompt for you out of your own music, right? Okay. You play whatever you want. You rap into Suno, it's going to give you a prompt, dude, a style prompt for your own style. And nobody can tell you that you didn't come up with that. This style prompt is generated from you, from your music, right? From your soul. Nobody can take that. Nobody can say you didn't generate that, okay? So I think that is like the coolest part. You know what I mean? So we have our prompt, and you can, you'll have to, I would add your own vocal prompts here. And if you want to get a prompt for your vocals, then you'll sing into it, right? So we'll go back to the app here. And now, oh, don't turn it off. I just want to angle it down a little bit right there. Perfect. Thank you. So AI camera. Sorry, it's glitching around. Same thing. We're going to go to create, and we're going to make sure that we're on, not on simple, but on custom. I know this screen's blurring it out and whatnot, but we're on custom. Going to click on add audio, and then we're going to record. And then we're going to sing. And you sing whatever you want, right? But it's going to record the lyrics too. I like to freestyle a little bit, like a country rap freestyle. And it's going to record my voice, and it's going to say, Suno is going to describe my voice. So it's going to create a prompt That's what my voice sounds like. That's what I really want, right? So what we sing doesn't really matter because that's not what I'm using. I'm trying to get a voice prompt to add to this style prompt for my guitar, right? So we're gonna sing. I don't know. I'm just gonna freestyle something. I know the prettiest girl in the whole world. I said, yeah, I know the prettiest girl in the whole world. I said, I love the prettiest girl in the whole world. All right, cool. Let's play. I know the prettiest girl. All right, we like our sample, right? Now the coolest part about this is, and we'll come back here, we're gonna upload it and we'll refresh it on screen. This is using this as a sampler, right? But the coolest thing is it gives us an AI prompt so that we can convert our human created elements into AI. So it just saved up. I'm not even going to put lyrics. I'm just creating. My prompt, it gives me my own voice, soulful acoustic blues ballad featuring warm, resonant baritone male vocals. So this is the prompt for my voice. And if you guys want to prompt, if y'all want to prompt your voice, if you want to prompt your songs, this is how I'm doing it, right? This is how I find another way that I find prompts, right? Not the only way, but another way. Now we're going to take this back. This is a lot. So I only want some of it. Soulful acoustic blues ballad featuring a warm resonant baritone vocals, rhythmic fingerstyle technique. Man, that's a phenomenal. It's too big. We're gonna have to make it smaller, right? So let's go to ChatGPT, and this is what I think will work good. Chat, and we'll make it smaller. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT to condense it down, which I could just take the first part of it, but oh, y'all can't even see me using ChatGPT, of course, because I'm sharing one screen. Well, I just typed all the. Let me fix this. Boom. Share. What do I need to share the whole window? There we go. Boom. Now I should see it. Yeah. So I just typed all on there, condensed this into a prompt, but capture all the elements, and boom. Copy code. Now when we go in there, it should give us a little condensed prompt. And now when we make our song, we should have a prompt that is us. This would be in my opinion, if you want to make something that's like, this is probably one of the most human ways to create some AI music, I would say. But now I got this awesome big old prompt in there, and it's 970 characters, so the whole thing fit. It's got the key elements of my voice and everything else. So we're gonna generate that song. Now let's see what this sounds like. It's gonna be a banger. I have a feeling it's gonna be a banger. I might even release it as a single. Just send it, right? We created it live here. And I might release this video on YouTube of recording this school session being recorded as well. Um, just to get it out there, get some more people in here, build the community. You guys have any questions? Y'all got any questions about anything?
I was born at the end of a sawed-off on a 1973 Chevy dashboard, where Daddy taught me how to shift the gears. My boots been muddy since the day that I was born.
But now I'm going to use this prompt. Now I need to save this. So this prompt is now saved. So I'm actually going to add this as a, what do we do? Create a persona. Yeah. Hardworking man. This is created with my resonator and my voice prompt. Oh, copy that a description. And it only lets you do 30 seconds, unfortunately, for this, but it'll be enough. So move it a little bit. Test it.
I was born.
Nice. Call it That's Me. You can see that. Make sure y'all can still see. Okay, cool. Oh, not public. And make sure when you do this, you don't make them public either, because they like to make them public on you. And But that's what I really wanted to show y'all today. I recorded this one. I'm going to try to upload it in the school too so people can watch it and come back and see this, and y'all can come back and watch it again. All I did was use my phone, the Suno app on the phone. Go to custom on your phone, click upload audio, press record instead of upload. But you can also just upload a video of you singing and playing, right? And then it will create props based on your material for you, right? It's just another way to create props out of your material, right? And so that way you can get as close to as possible to your own sound or to another sound, right? Don't upload other people's music there though, right? Don't take that risk. So I don't think it's worth the risk. Y'all got any questions? I'm about to get off here.
My sweetheart at the end of a gravel road on a rusted out tailgate. We still watch the sunset from the back of that old truck, 30 miles south of the Tennessee state. It ain't nothing but dirt roads and cane poles hitting that work bill, fighting for a paycheck, a little rest, and a woman I know well. So give me my good friend, strong handshakes, working till I can't stand. It's just a simple song of a hard-working man. When it's too cold, too hot, too wet, or too dry, the work don't stop cause the bills don't care. It's hell on the lungs and hell on the back, and you wonder if anybody up there cares. The end of the month, the money gets low, but my baby knows how to make it last. She makes every little bit of loving feel brand new with that smile and the way she shakes that. It ain't nothing but dirt roads and cane poles hitting that work bell, fighting for a paycheck, a little rest, and a woman I know well. So give me my good friend, strong handshakes, working till I can't stand. It's just a simple song of a hard-working man. Ain't nothing but dirt roads and cane poles hitting that work bell, fighting for a paycheck, a little rest, and a woman I know well. It ain't nothing but dirt roads and cane poles hitting that work bell, fighting for a paycheck, a little rest, and a woman I know well. So give me my good friend, strong handshakes, working till I can't stand. It's just a simple song of a hard-working man.